Stan's event, which is Stan night, the evening event, 6 to midnight. 5 biggest fish out here on Hoover. See what I can do here. As you can see, I'm by myself. Ed had an event he was doing for work or something. So, see what I can do here. Kind of limited on my mobility, as I'm only using my trolling motor. Since I'm 40, can't go any faster out here. So, what I'll probably do is I anchored up on some fish. Hopefully we'll get lucky. And after like a certain time period, if we're not doing any good, I'm guessing probably just troll the night, you know, cover in water and see if I can find those active fish. So if anything, stay tuned. Hopefully coming away, maybe not with the winter, but come in place somewhere. Stay tuned, guys. I was afraid I was going to be really noisy with the wind that was here, so I put the little thing that you guys talked about, the cover the audio.
The little
so, but
deal.
Huh?
The foam curler deal.
Yeah. Whoop. There we go. Fish on.
All right. Fish on.
All right, settle. And he's gonna play that fool. Hey, it didn't skunk.
It's amazing. One fish will be the difference between 100 points and 180 some points.
Ah, come on. All right, settle down. 381, if you can see that all right.
381, got it.
And that's teared off.
That's teared. Beautiful, thank you. There we go. Pretty little channel cat.
Back in. Fish on, Northern. Nah, he came
Stan,
off.
did you already put your fish back? I'm sorry if you did. I didn't see it. Did somebody?
Just have to invite me fishing and I'll bring it back. Okay, sounds good. Yeah.
All right, Brandon, I cordially invite you to James River. You just give me the cup and I'll give it back to him.
Wait a minute, that's not how this works, Stan.
We will be doing stand dates tomorrow morning. Okay, so here's the scoring. Here's the scoring. Fishing, not catching, still in first place, 78. Freddie Beck in second place. FOA Customs and Gear in second place, 66 and a half. Third place, we have Team My Bad Dude, 42.3.
Stan, fish on. Northernview.
All right.
sooner you do it, the sooner you can go home. Two, 2.27. 2.27.
What was that again?
2.27.
10.27. And was that with the grips teared out?
Yep, that's teared out.
2.27. Thank you.
Good. Just showing my bad, dude.
Alright, we need a fish. The channel. I was supposed to sing happy birthday to her.
All right, well, caught 2 fish, ended up in 14th place. So at least it's better than just skunking out and getting 100. So I think they said it's like 186 points. So it's a positive, especially by myself today. So yeah, 2 fish, okay. The Wheel of Fortune one's next, so hopefully we can come out, slam dunk that thing. Hopefully we'll stay in the top 10. Currently in 7th, so we'll just have to see what happens when the scores come out. And appreciate everybody stopping by. We'll see you guys in the next tournament, or next time we come out fishing. See you next time. Thanks again.
Probably go back up over our trailer.
Okay, that's fine. I cannot believe that shit. Oh! God damn. Really? 4 minutes too late.
Yep, I did all up in my line. Yep, that was
Well, we got a fish.